Dear student, this is the chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. Properties. Yes, sir. Yesterday we had seen the exercise 6.5. To the question 6. Only two questions are remaining for students. Question number 7 and the question number 8. We see first question number 7. It's a word problem. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diameter is 41 centimeters. So first of all, we draw here figure. This is exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5. Question number 7 here. It is a rectangle here. We give name here A, B, C and D. Here AC is a diagonal of this rectangle here. In question number 7 here, we have given the length and the diagonals. Here AB is the length of the rectangles. It is 40 centimeter and diagonal here 41 centimeter. And we have to find here the perimeter of this rectangle. So we want here the breadth. यहाँ हमें जरूरत है breadth, length जो कि ऑलरेडी दी है 40 सेंटीमीटर. breadth जरूरी है. जब breadth फाइंड होगी तभी perimeter फाइंड आउट होगा. So we find here the breadth. We know that here students, in a rectangle each angle is a right angle. rectangle की प्रॉपर्टी में जब हम जाते हैं तो हर एंगल each angle यहाँ भी right angle होता है. So here angle B, it is a right angle. So we need here a new triangle, triangle ABC, and this triangles, it is a right angle triangle. ये एक right angle triangle है because angle B is right angle. So we write here first ABC is right angle triangle and his AC ये हो जाएगी हमारे लिए hypotenuse because this side is opposite to right angle. ये right angle के opposite side है. So here AC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of these triangles. But अगर rectangle की बात करेंगे, it's a diagonal of triangle. It's a diagonal of rectangle. Hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. So we write here the AC is equals to 41 centimeter. Then AB is equals to here is 40 centimeter. Now we use here Pythagoras property. By using Pythagoras property, Pythagoras property means AC square because here AC is a hypotenuse. यहाँ पे जो AC जो एक hypotenuse है. So square of hypotenuse means AC square is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides means AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Now we put here value. Here AC is 41 means 41 whole square. Then here AB is 40 centimeter means 40 whole square plus BC square. 41 square means 41 into 41. स्क्वायर मीनिंग होता है, स्क्वायर का मतलब होता है कि उसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. मींस अ नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इटसेल्फ. सो 41 into 41 means 1 then 4 4 ones are 4 4 fours are 16. Here sum is 1 4 and 4 means 8 6 1 means 1681 is the square of 41. Then square of 40 1600 plus BC square. Now we transpose this number to left side, means 1681 minus 1600 is equals to BC square. And here difference is 81. जो difference होगा वो होगा हमारे 81. And here 81 is the square of 9. 81 आया है वो 9 का ही square. So BC square is equals to 9 square. And therefore the BC is equals to 9 centimeter. Now we got here BC means breadth of this rectangle. And in this question we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So now we use here the formula perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Here length is जो AB है वही हमारी length है और जो BC वो हमारे breadth है. Means 2 into 40 plus 2 into breadth means here 9. Then here 2 into 40 means 80 and 2 into 9 means 18 and here sum is 80 plus 18 means 98 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this rectangle. जो value आई है वो है हमारे 98 जो कि इस rectangle का एक perimeter. Then next question number 7. Question number 8. 7 is over. Question number 8. We read this question first. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. We draw here figure first. Question number 7, 8. Question number 8. We draw here a rhombus. It's a rhombus A, B, C, and D. This is the diagonal of this. Here AC is the diagonal of rhombus. In this question, so we have given here the diagonals here, students. Both diagonals, 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter, means AC and BD. AC 16 centimeter and BD 30 centimeter. 16 and 30. And this is point O. O is the intersection of these two diagonals. We use here the property, students, property of rhombus. Rhombus की property क्या है और वो भी diagonal पे लिखी. Diagonals perpendicular to each other. Diagonals bisect each other. We draw here symbol this time. This symbol is perpendicular. इससे पता चलता है कि AC is perpendicular to BD और ये diagonal bisect भी हो रहे हैं. So we write here first this property. Diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular bisector to each other. मतलब perpendicular भी होंगे और bisect भी होंगे. We have to find here the perimeter of this rhombus, and we know that in a rhombus all sides are equal. यहाँ पे सब all sides equal होते हैं. So first of all we find here the side of this rhombus. हमें side find करना है. Means this side AB. We find here this first OA. OA is equals to, अब ये So OA is equals to half of AC. Then here AC is 16. 2 ones are 2 eights are. Then OA is equals to, here is 8 centimeters. Then OB is the half of BD. Then is equals to 1 by 2 into here BD is 30. Then 2 ones are 2, 15 are, means 15 2s are 30. So OB is equals to 15 centimeter. Here we take this triangle. ये triangle हम लेंगे, triangle AOB. It is the right angle triangle, yes student. We write here AOB is right angled triangle. We use here Pythagoras property. Using Pythagoras property, here hypotenuse is, जिस तरह से हमने इस ट्रायंगल को लेना है, AOB ट्रायंगल को हम ले रहे हैं, तो यहाँ hypotenuse हो जाएंगे हमारे लिए AB, because this side is opposite to the right angle. इस right angle के opposite side से. So we start from this side, means square of hypotenuse means AB square is equals to OA square plus OB square. Now we put here value. AB square is equals to, here OA is 8 square plus OB is 15, means 15 square. Then 8 square means 8 into 8. 8 into 8 means 64. And 15 square means 15 into 50, means 225. And AB square is equals to 64 plus 225, means here sum is 289. It is a perfect square, students, because 289 is the square of 17. एक 17 का square. So we write here AB square is equals to 17 square, and therefore AB is equals to 17 centimeter. Now we got here the side of this rhombus, but we got to find here the perimeter. So we write here perimeter is equals to, perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4 into side, then 4 into 17, and 17 fours are 68 centimeter. 68 centimeter is the perimeter of this rhombus here.